What is up, my short heads? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are finally back on the Surron. We are updated and upgraded. I got new front and rear brakes from Fast Ace. Also, I was supposed to get front and rear rotors. They only gave me 2 rear rotors, so hopefully I'll get the front one here soon. And I also got a new rear suspension. So Matt the mechanic actually came over and put that on for me. We actually had to take the brake caliper off of the tubing to get it through the frame. Luckily, we lost no brake pressure. And right now the brakes do feel great. The left one feels a little bit squishy. I might want to tune that up a little bit, but we'll test out the rear suspension and everything. We'll do a little bit of off-road riding, but right now we're catching up with Matt the mechanic and Jeff. Before we get started on this video, if you guys do want to support the channel, check out all those links down below. All right, so we made it to Matt the mechanic and Jeff. So now we got 3 Surrons, 2 72-volt Surrons and 1 still 60-volt Surron. And so far the rear suspension has felt good, but on the road, let's see how it feels like off-road. Brakes feel all right. I'll throw a link down there for the Fast Ace brakes and suspension. Soon I'll have the front fork, but I want to get wheelies down on this first. We're gonna go find a beautiful spot for these beautiful Surrons to be beautiful. Yeah, definitely having a little bit stiffer suspension on a rear feels a lot better. Just popping wheelies. Crazy. Well, they started letting me go and then she went.
She almost died.
Hell yeah, these back roads are so much fun. The only thing I worry about back here is just deer popping out. There's a lot of deer right now. Closed Dusk Till Dawn. One of my favorite movies. Oh, look at this view. Wow. It wasn't too hard swapping out the rear suspension. It was actually pretty quick, a lot easier than I thought it was gonna be. Thinking about maybe throwing that rear suspension on one of my other e-bikes. Literally one of the best locations to chill out, hang out with your Surrons and your homies in sun setting. This is why you should have pedals. I mean, look how real this looks. That's so real, bro.
Highly not recommended. Hell yeah.
This is awesome. I got a blow up kayak. I can throw that thing on the back of the Grizzly and strap it down.
2-seater, 1-seater?
It's a 2-seater actually, and I got 2 freaking oars and everything. I don't know where I'm going, but I know where I want to be. Hoda. You might want to do that to not get ticks. You gotta put your socks over your pants. What the hell? Oh, there is, ow. I don't know. This trail sucks. Ow! That fucking hurt. Ow, the thorn thing wrapped around my freaking foot. That hurt. Oh wow, look at that. That's amazing.
Beautiful.
Uh-huh.
I like the green under your feet.
Thank you. I can change the color, but I lost the remote.
Bro.
Bro, where are you, bro?
Who would have ever thought when you're fucking 30 or 40 and you're on a fucking electric bike just going through Delaware?
Never thought I'd be riding an electric dirt bike ever.
I was just like, I never had this as a kid, but now I have it as an adult.
Yeah, who would have
I
thought?
would have never been allowed to have this as a kid.
Me neither. Why is there a stop sign there? $50 right there, baby. Hell yeah, these back roads is where these bikes shine. So much fun. Hey guys that do the wheelies out there, let me know what settings you guys use on your Surron for wheelies. Do you guys keep your throttle like super duper snappy? Do you guys keep it at a high amperage, high voltage? Like, let me know what your settings are. I'm keeping it at 8 kilowatts the whole time I'm trying to learn how to wheelie. I thought we were being conservative. He's at a half a battery, definitely less than half a battery now, but we're on the way into town. We're gonna hit some trails. Guess we kind of make the rules. Uh-oh. What happened? Oh. Nope, I'm not killing my battery. No, Jeff, no. So guys, do you guys have a person in your group that likes to go super fast and kills his battery before anybody else? That's Jeff, for sure.
Does that look fast?
That looks very fast. Wow. Yeah, look at all those deer, dude.
No.
Wow.
How cool would that be to rip down this field?
That would be so awesome. Yeah. Then Bill Bob comes out with the shotgun. That was one of the greatest wheelies I've ever gotten on the Surron. Right there. Literally. So, keep working my way to slow wheelies to feel comfortable. 8,000 watts versus 3 watts.
You say on mic, set, go.
On your mark, get set, go!
That's my power level 1.
Huh? Brakes work. Ah! He got me. Yeah. I'm surprised we haven't seen anybody on this trail yet today. Yeah, oh, fishtailing, baby. We gonna celebrate, party with you. Oh. What's going on here? Oh, Taco Rijo's out. Oh, that's the only time I love Taco Rijo. Yep.
Wow.
Yep. All right, I gotta get out of this crazy get up. Yo, watch out for those nymph ticks. They're nymphos. They like to suck.
You don't have an actual like card by chance, do you? Because I don't have Wi-Fi, unfortunately.
No Wi-Fi? I got you, bro.
No, I have a card.
Oh, okay.
What are you gonna do with my card?
Huh?
Are you writing my card number down?
Yeah, and then I'm gonna just ignore all the Amazon purchases.
Right. All right, so these are the tacos from the Taco Rijo truck. I only like them from the truck for some reason. I'm excited to try them again. Oh, Bob. All right, guys, it's getting late. I think I'm gonna ride home. They're probably gonna take off. That was a fun freaking day on the Surrons, guys. Definitely a blast. Okay, dude, it was awesome ripping with you guys, and I'll see you guys on the next ride. Didn't think we were gonna get such a long ride in today on the Surrons, but we did hit up some awesome spots. Suspension and brakes were definitely worked out really great today. I'm excited to try out the Fast Ace forks. Super excited to do more videos and reviews for you guys. Like I said in the last video, we're gonna be doing a lot more videos, guys. Got a lot of awesome bikes that I've been wanting for a while. Big brands that we just got some jobs with. Excited to announce those coming soon. Shout out to all the Shredhead members. Make sure if you guys want to grab these videos a day or two earlier, check out that link down below, youtube.com/ShreddieMcSkate/join. It's only $5 a month. And you also get a shout out at the end of the video. But definitely a big shout out to all the Shredhead members, past, present, and future. Without you guys, I wouldn't be here. You guys rock. I do have some trips coming up pretty soon. Shaw's coming here to Delaware, I think in the end of June, and then I'm going back to California with him. And then I plan on going to a bunch of different Electrify Expos. So if you guys go to the Electrify Expos, I will probably be there. And hopefully I get to see one of you guys and get to hang out and do some kind of group ride. All right, now my biscuits are definitely sore. I probably did like 60 or 70 miles today. Man, this little bike lane is so thin. It's so sketchy having cars so close to you. How awesome is it that you can use the Surron as a daily rider? This is crazy. I know in the future I'm gonna have to get this thing registered. I know it's coming soon, guys, because I hear it's happening in California. And I've been using my regen button like the whole freaking ride, guys. It's so awesome. If you do get the GLE BAC 4000, you get an app in there. You have forward, reverse, neutral, drive, and park, and you get the regen thumb throttle, which is pretty great. What a day, what a ride. I hope you guys enjoyed that fun little journey with us on the Surrons. One thing is, I'm really happy with the rear suspension. That feels really awesome. Definitely a lot better than the stock. The stock, it felt good, but it was just like too springy. That one's a little stiffer, which I like. So far, I'm definitely happy with the Fast Ace rear suspension. So if you guys are interested in that from Fast Ace, I will throw a link down there below. And the brakes definitely felt good. I still feel like the rear brake feels a little spongy to me. I don't know if you guys know how to repair like the spongy feeling in the brakes. Maybe I just got to tune them up or re-bleed them. Comment down below, let me know if you know what I should do with that. Definitely stay tuned. There's gonna be way more Surron content coming on the channel. We have more friends getting more Surrons and upgrading them, and I think somebody's getting a Talaria XXX here pretty soon. Can't wait to see that. I will be throwing the front fork Fast Ace suspension on there pretty soon, but I just want to get comfortable on the wheelies because I know that the Fast Ace fork is a little heavier than the one I have on here, so that'll be coming soon. And definitely stay tuned for way more reviews of bikes that you've been wanting and bikes that I'm really stoked to have on the channel. As always, if you guys want to support the channel, check out all those links down below. Check out the link down below for the Chai Gladiator battery. Check out the link down below for the GLE BAC 4000. On both of them, use code Shreddie, get 5% off your order. If none of those products are for you, check out all those other links down below. There might be a bike you like. And as always, if you guys enjoyed that content, please consider subscribing, hitting that like button, and bringing that notification to be notified when I'm making videos. And are you guys ready for the moment of silence for the subscribe button? In 3, 2, 1, hit subscribe, heads down. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next Sur ride. And thank you to the Shredhead members. You guys all rock.